On today's Fit to Eat, Chef Rob Stinson prepares fantastic shrimp fajitas with pineapple pico de gallo. This new twist on an old favorite is a simple and delicious way to serve Gulf Coast seafood. First things first, we chop. We'll start by heating up a half teaspoon of oil in a pan. Drop in the sliced onion, all of the bell peppers, and garlic. Cook this colorful concoction until the onions are translucent. Next, add in the star of the show, the shrimp. For this recipe, we're using 4 ounces of peeled and deveined wild-caught American shrimp. In general, the more local the seafood is, the better it will be. Cook until the shrimp has turned an opaque pink color, which will be about 4 to 5 minutes. Once cooked, remove the pan from the heat and add 1 tablespoon of cilantro. With the core fajita mixture ready, we can begin. In a new bowl, add in the chopped tomato, cilantro, minced garlic, diced jalapeño, a half teaspoon of black pepper, and some minced onion. Finally, add in the diced pineapple, the fresher the better, and stir. To achieve the citrus flavor Pico de Gallo is known for, add in a teaspoon of lime juice and a teaspoon of lemon juice. Keep on stirring until we have a big, happy Pico de Gallo family. While these fajitas would work well with a typical tortilla, it would add quite a few carbs to this dish. Instead, we're using a lettuce leaf to hold our fajitas together. Take a head of lettuce and cut it into quarters. The leaves will peel apart, making these little lettuce canoes that will hold our shrimp and peppers well. Serve with the pineapple pico de gallo, and we'll have this fantastic, flavorful fajita dinner that is fit to eat. To see the full episode this recipe came from, visit mpbonline.org/fit-to-eat or follow the link in the description below. Chef Rob talks with General Joe Spraggins, the director of the Mississippi Department of Marine Resources, about the importance of Gulf Coast seafood. For more fit-to-eat recipes and kitchen tips, subscribe to Mississippi Public Broadcasting.